here we are. Welcome to Dad's Christmas party here today. And Dad, this is your Christmas party, yes? Yep, so Dad's Christmas party here today with all this lovely food that they're going to have. All this yummy, delicious food. And all the people that are here. Hello everyone, these are all the people here at Dad's the Christmas tree at Hillcrest. They're all waiting to have a nice lunch. Wow! Hello everyone, Stephen. Yeah, so this is a Christmas lunch for everyone here today. Wow, that's what they're going to be having. So we're looking forward to celebrating Christmas here today with Dad. Today is Wednesday. Hey Dad, you want to say something? There's a tree here. So we're just waiting now for us to start. Yeah, I'm just waiting for us to start. I'll go and get a chair in Dad's room for us all. For you to sit on, okay? See if there's one in Dad's room. Everyone's going to have a Merry, Merry Christmas. Oh, how lovely. Yes. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Hello. How are you guys? Are you here with Sam? Are you Bo's children or Rach? Oh, that's your mum. That's Bo's sister. All of you? No? Oh, you two are whose children? Oh, nice to see you. I know Bo well and Rachel because my son Leroy is very good friends with them. Yeah. And we always say hi to Sam. Hi darling, how are you? Nice to see you. Yeah, I didn't see you here when I walked in. Wonderful. Yeah, so yes. Yes. And so, got some people that we know here. Wyoma and Sa over there. Oh, lovely. You both look decorative. And Teresa, wow. And that's us. Okay.